Hello everyone. Today I'll be explaining the 5-step process followed under Mission Accessibility for resolving accessibility issues faced by persons with disabilities on digital platforms such as websites, apps, OTT platforms, and booking portals. The first 3 steps mainly focus on communication and giving the service provider a fair opportunity to fix the issue. Step 1 begins on day 0 when the affected person sends an email to the company or service provider explaining the accessibility issue clearly and requesting them to resolve it. This is the first formal attempt to bring the problem to their notice. Step 2 takes place on day 7. If there is no response or no proper action is taken, a reminder email is sent as a follow-up. This ensures that the issue is documented and the company cannot claim that they were unaware of the problem. Step 3 happens on day 14, where the issue is raised on social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter by tagging the company, its founders, or senior officials. This helps create public awareness and often pushes companies to respond faster. Now, step 4 is much more serious because it involves legal action. On day 21, if the accessibility issue is still unresolved, a formal legal notice is sent to the company. This notice explains how the lack of accessibility violates the rights of persons with disabilities under Indian law, especially under the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. Accessibility is not a favor or a matter of convenience. It is a legal right. The legal notice usually includes details of the issue, previous communication attempts, the legal provisions being violated, and one final opportunity to correct the problem within the specific time period. It also warns that if no action is taken, the matter may be escalated before the appropriate legal authority. Step 5 is the final stage of escalation. On day 35, if the company still fails to act, even after receiving the legal notice, a formal complaint is filed before the Chief Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities, also known as CCPD. The CCPD is a statutory authority responsible for protecting and enforcing the rights of persons with disabilities in India. The complaint includes all supporting documents such as emails, reminders, screenshots, social media posts, and the legal notice. This helps establish that reasonable opportunities were already given to the company before legal intervention was sought. The CCPD can then examine the complaint, seek responses from the company, and direct them to take corrective action to ensure accessibility compliance. This 5-step process is important because it ensures that accessibility concerns are handled systematically, starting from simple communication and ending with formal legal enforcement when necessary. Thank you.